When you look at it from the outside, it's actually quite something. But once you get into the forest, as you walk through, that is a whole other sensation. Being so close, especially to the silverback, your heart is beating, you're rooted to the spot. The fact that they're so calm, almost like it's family. I just feel like, wow, this is indeed God's country. We have a special place within the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. We're the only luxury lodge within the confines of the park. You're welcome. There's that genuine appreciation for anybody who is visiting. So hospitality comes naturally.
We're right here, where we have the mountain gorillas.
Just listening to the sound of the forest, there's that sense of this is where you belong.
I have to make some sound to communicate with the trackers.
So close to it. It's amazing.
Before I started to sing for you. Ay, 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 ay,
We are giving guests a chance to have a feel of the community. A&K Sanctuary has been supporting in all different ways. It quite touches my heart.
We are Bwindi Women Rescue Project, started by a sanctuary to empower the ladies within this community. A lot of people have benefited from us. We feel proud as ladies.
We want to pay homage to Uganda, the forest, and to the people and cultures that surround us. When you come and see and live in our home, you'll understand what luxury in the forest is all about.